Hey guys, good morning. It is Thursday, May 16th. And again, one more quick update. That's how the lawn is looking. And here's the other side. Not bad. And this right here is combining Scott's with and supplementing it with Milorganite in between. I will provide whenever the dates where I applied Scott's and Milorganite, hopefully in the next video. But again, I just wanted to show this just in case you're somebody out there who if you're doubting yourself that you cannot that you have to pay somebody to take care of your lawn. You got to pay somebody $70, $80, $100 a month to come apply fertilizer. This is something that you can do yourself if you do your homework. There's a lot of videos on YouTube of people, experts who know about treating your lawn. What you got to do is a little bit of research and just do little test areas here and there, and you can actually start bringing your lawn back to health if you were having if you let go of your lawn like I did last year. But I'm actually seeing some good results here, and I've been kind of noticing it little by little again as I notice, because there's some contrast over there with my neighbor's lawn. But little by little I'm seeing some results, as well as other people coming up to me starting to ask me what I'm using on my lawn, how I'm treating it, or just asking me basic information on the lawn. So just wanted to give this quick update here, because today I am seeing some difference more than last week. All right guys, you guys have a great day.